Let's get to the point. Meron na palang malunggay flavored ice cream sa SM North EDSA. It's from Buzz Ice Cream, which is by the popular Bohol Bee Farm. Small kiosk lang siya sa ground floor of SM North beside the surplus store. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my whole order. Love ko ang Bohol, by the way, and ang daming cute din doon. I bought two flavors and free tasting lang sa all the other flavors para lang may idea kayo. All flavors cost 120 pesos per scoop. By the way, they use real honey instead of sugar, kaya ang sweetness may uniqueness. They also use coconut milk for their ice cream, which gives their flavors added uniqueness. Also, unique din ang cone nila, made of cassava. I respect the uniqueness, pero flavor-wise, lasang cropek siya. Pero in fairness naman, masarap and bagay sa ice cream flavors nila. Number one, malunggay. One scoop, 120 pesos. Delicious. I suggest though they lower the amount of honey kasi overly sweet. Sayang, wag nilang takpan ng malunggay flavor because it was delicious and honestly unique. Number two, charcoal ice cream. Charcoal as in uling. Pero don't worry, this is the edible kind. Please, wag niyong kainin yung uling na pinagbarbecuehan nyo. Actually, walang taste ang charcoal, so this just tasted like honey to me. Ingat lang kayo kasi temporarily magba-black ang teeth nyo. So please don't try this pag may kasama kang date or pag may date ka after. Just make sure mag-toothbrush or gargle after. Here are the other flavors na free spoon taste lang. Number one, melon, delicious. Number two, salted caramel, tasted like a salty leche flan. Number three, avocado, delicious. May real avocados daw, which in fairness, I taste. Number four, guyabano. I like guyabano as a drink pero not as an ice cream. Hindi ako doktor ha, pero nabasa ko somewhere, marami daw health benefits ang guyabano. Please ask your doctor na lang. Number five, dragon fruit. Sorry for me, surprisingly zero flavor ito. Number six, buko, delicious. Number seven, dark chocolate, delicious. I am a fan of brands that are popular from the provinces na nag-expand into Metro Manila. Click follow for the next story.